Hey there, I'm Jessica and I'm thrilled to be here with you today to help your little ones discover the joys of reading. In today's video, we'll be focusing on 5 key letters and their sounds. We'll then use these letters to build words together in a simple and engaging way. This is a great way for your child to learn to read. So you can take notes and do this lesson with your kids, or you can even have your kids follow along with us, taking breaks whenever you need to practice. Let's get started. Step 1 is making sure we're familiar with the letters that we're using. So let's start with the letter O. This is our vowel. It will be in every word that we build today. The letter O can make more than one sound, but today we're going to focus on the short O sound, ah, as in octopus. Now we'll move on to the letter R, which makes the sound, as in ring or rabbit. But keep in mind that it's normal for kids to have difficulty pronouncing the letter R sound until around the age 6 or 7. So to make the letter R sound, the tongue is slightly raised and curved back, not touching any part of the mouth, and the lips may round slightly. Let's give it a try. Great. Up next is the letter B. To make the letter B sound, you press the lips together, then release the built-up air. B, as in ball. One thing to keep in mind is that your throat should vibrate when you make the letter B sound, so go ahead and lightly place your hand on the front of your throat, and let's make that sound again. B, B. Now on to the letter P. The letter P makes this sound, P, as in pie or pencil. When you make the letter P sound, you press your lips together tightly and then release them quickly while pushing out a small burst of air, like this. P, P. And the last letter we'll go over today is the letter T, which makes one basic sound, T, as in taco. Okay, it's time to move on to step 2, building and sounding out words. Today we'll start with a 3-letter word. We'll use the letters R, O, and B. And now I'm going to place magnets underneath each letter, which we'll use to sound out the individual letter sounds. And then I'm going to use my dry erase marker to draw a line with a little arrow underneath that whole word. And now we'll sound it out. Rob. Next, we will switch the letter B for the letter T, and we'll sound it out. Rot. Next, we'll switch the letter R for the letter B. Bought. And we'll switch the letter B for the letter P. Pot. And our last word, we're going to actually switch the letter P and the letter T. Top. Great job. Let's go over the words we learned today. Rob, rot, bought, pot, and top. So with just 5 letters, we have created 5 different words. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out more resources on my website, like my Simple Words Reading Kit, which is a complete kit for helping teach your child to read. The link is in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reading tips, and share it with other parents. Together, we can unlock the magic of reading and empower every child's future. See you next time.